Are you looking for proven ways that allow you to earn or make money online effortlessly? Have you ever been frustrated being out of cash and no one actually coming to your aid? Yes, right? Don't worry. I totally know that feeling. Being broke is very annoying, especially when there are needs or other little things you need to take care. Make sure you watch this video to the end because in this video, I want to reveal different ways to make money online, especially if you are looking to earn passive income online. These proven methods are perfect for those looking to start an online business, those looking to work from home, those looking to make money passively online, and those looking to make it a full-time job. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right in. Here are proven ways to make money online effortlessly. 1. Affiliate marketing. You can choose to sell other people products online. You can start to market and sell other people products online and you get a percentage of what you sell. It is a very big niche and you will need to read and learn a lot, but you will make awesome income and this is hard as you work. People who are into affiliate marketing makes really cool money online, over $500 per monthly. There are many ways to work on this. You can start work without paying anything and you can start by making ads and sell traffic, but the important thing is to learn and always check all the new ways and the updates. Are you enthusiastic about starting affiliate marketing? Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified immediately I upload how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, step-by-step guide video, which I'll be uploading if you subscribe now and this video hits 1,000 likes. Also don't forget to leave your comment below to enable me communicate with you. Over to the next. 2. YouTube channel. Start a YouTube account and make videos about your passion making money through Google AdSense. After you've created several videos, it's time to join the YouTube Partner Program. All you need to do is enable your channel for monetization, and you'll receive your share of the income from video advertising on YouTube. Just as the YouTube stars do, you'll get paid for every 1,000 views on your videos. Isn't this amazing? You get to make money from creating your own content that you are passionate about. A step-by-step video guide on how to create and monetize your YouTube channel will be uploaded soon. All you have to do is to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified once it's been uploaded. Don't miss out. Over to number 3. Logo design. Learn how to make trendy logos and do freelance work on many sites. It is all free, you don't have to invest in anything. All you need is time, the skill and persistence. Before you start, you just need to master a few tools: Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, etc. If you don't know how to start making logos, you don't have anything to worry about as I have you all covered. Subscribed viewers will be notified when I upload a step-by-step tutorial video on this. Leave a comment below to tell me what you think. You can also search for courses on Udemy. Or you can also get inspiration from sites like Behance.net, Dribbble, Pinterest, etc. When you've mastered logo design, you can go ahead to start freelancing sites such as Upwork, 99 Designs, Freelancers, etc. 4. Instagram marketing. Create an Instagram account and start making money online. Growing an Instagram account is the hardest part, but traffic is the lifeline of any online success. Growing an account doesn't need to be hard, you just need to be seen. Start with deciding on a niche. Comedy, fitness and food are hot on Instagram. Think of a catchy simple name. Signing up, upload about 5+ niche related pictures every day. Start creating awareness by following others, comment and like same niche posts to be noticed. Once you are done growing your account followers, start connecting with brands. Use your platform to market other people's product and services. Like a micro-influencer thingy. Remember to offer a free gift and collect emails and build your email marketing list for more marketing. 5. Write for blogs. Write blog posts for websites and get paid to do so. So, if you are a freelance writer who wants to make money writing but is tired of low-paying writing gigs, then check the description below for collection of websites that are paying some good money for your articles and blog posts. In other words, you get paid when you contribute content to the following websites and blogs. 6. Email marketing. Build up an email list and sell courses and ebooks based on that topic. You can easily build an email list by offering a free book or course from your own products and let the user download it from their email. Or using many tools online to build this list like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, others. Now that you have a list provided them with value, it's time to think about the ways you can make money with your newsletter. Are you new to email marketing? I have written an instruction on how to get my free ebook on email marketing in the description below. The most important thing to remember when exploring ways to monetize your email list is to make it relevant to your audience. You can use your list and make money by affiliate offers. Sell your own products. Get paid to send your subscribers to other sites and sell sponsor ads. 7. Language help. If you know more than one language, you can help others by building an online course and sell it on udemy.com or any other sites which sell courses. Or perhaps, work as freelancer translator on upwork.com, freelancer.com. 8. Website development. Learn how to develop websites. Start by learning HTML and CSS, and then you can go with how to build WordPress sites. You will find many online tutorials for free. Yes, for free. All you have to do is to be patient and learn how to do it step by step and work hard on it, and you will have it. Once you learn, you can make money through the freelancing websites or even work with big companies from home. And you can build complete websites and sell it on Envato Market. 9. Create niche websites featuring Google AdSense ads. Creating popular niche sites can grab visitors looking for specialized information, and adding Google AdSense advertising links can be a great way to monetize the site. You will need small investment, but all you need is high traffic to make enough income from your website. I've covered this topic and will be giving it to all those who has subscribed and has turned on notification for my upcoming videos. Don't miss out on this free offer. Please subscribe now. 10. Sell photos. Before we dive too deeply into the topic, you basically have two options for selling photos. Sell photos directly from your website. Many photographers are startled by the idea of selling images from their own website because they think it involves an expensive e-commerce site and complicated payment gateways. While this was true in the past, it's now very easy to set up your own site to sell images. If your website is set up on WordPress, you're in luck, as there's a large selection of plugins and themes designed specifically for selling stock images. If you don't have a website and want to cut the cost, at least in your first steps in business, then go to option 2 until you make some good money and then get back to option 1. Sell photos via a third-party website. The easiest way to make your photographs available as stock images for sale is by using a third-party microstock website such as iStockPhoto, Dreamstime, Shutterstock, 123RF. You'll be paying a large commission on each sale for every image that you sell. These fees vary quite a lot between different sites and depending on the restrictions of the licenses you offer. Most sites offer between 20% and 60% royalty to the photographer per sale. 11. Write in ebooks. Write an in-depth ebook about something you love and are good at. Sell it on Amazon, affiliate programs, Facebook, Instagram, and other ad platforms. If you are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Amazon Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money. And the Kindle app is now available on almost any device: laptops, iPads, smartphones, and yes, Kindles, so your global market is huge. List your book for £1.49 to £6.99 and you earn 70% of the sale. Considering Amazon is the ultimate selling machine, and remember, people are looking to spend, that is a fantastic deal. The key to success with ebooks is to create value, and write nonfiction. Simply bundling information you have researched and compiled on a common problem, e.g. secrets to finding a job, and then presenting it in an easy-to-digest format, an ebook, justifies someone spending a few quid on it. Another big tip is to have a great cover design so it stands out, and once your book is live on the Kindle store, it's really important to get some reviews so it shows up higher in results. Encourage readers to leave an honest review at the end of your book. The best thing about this lucrative idea is that once you've invested the time, say 20 hours, you'll earn a passive income for years to come. 12. Start blogging. Create a website and talk about what you are good at and share it with the world. Monetize through affiliate links. Writing entertaining, interesting blog posts can generate cash for you through ads, affiliate links and other revenue options. Your blogging success will depend on your writing talent, whether your blog covers a popular subject and the popularity of the links you include, whether backlinks or pay-per-click links, like Google AdWords. And check this for making $1,000 to $5,000 part-time income by blogging with no experience. 13. Join Fiverr. Sell your skills on Fiverr and make money with this online platform. Fiverr is now the world's largest marketplace for people to make money selling small services, known as gigs. What you offer could be absolutely anything, from writing and translating, social media posting, playing pranks and teaching to creating music, graphic design, voiceovers and short video clips for people all around the world. The default price is $5, but you can attach extra services to gigs for more money. Whilst it might not seem like much, it can quickly add up and there are plenty of examples of people making a really good living from the site. The key is to get a system in place which minimizes the time spent on each gig. But there is another way to profit even more from Fiverr for potentially far less work. How? By simply reselling gigs elsewhere. For example, find a decent logo designer, then reply to jobs on Upwork.com or even local classifieds. A $5 spend can easily become $50 plus, and it's repeatable. If you're not interested in selling at all, there's so much good stuff you can get done for yourself. Browse on Fiverr and get inspired. 14. Social media management. Manage the social media profiles of a celebrity who doesn't have the time to run them. Or any brands. All you need to do is replying to comments and share the news and get paid. How to get your first client? Start with finding one major client. If you look at it that way, instead of thinking, I need enough clients to make a living, it's a lot easier to wrap your head around. Just focus on getting one client and try everything: networking events, LinkedIn, friends of friends, etc. Sometimes the first client comes from the oddest of places. Advice to new freelancers: LinkedIn groups are great for finding opportunities and leads. Add value for your client, offer them ideas and suggestions above and beyond the scope of your contract. Try offering free services for a limited time to build your portfolio. 15. Start online coaching. Hey! Before I continue with this, I want to take out time to thank you specially for watching this video, and a bigger thanks to all those who has supported this channel by subscribing to this YouTube channel, hitting the notification bell, and commenting, leaving your reviews in the comments section below. I can't tell how happy I'm, and I'm most grateful. Expect more impacting video upload from me thrice weekly. So let's talk about number 15. Starting online coaching. Set up an online site and offer coaching for a specific niche you are good at. First, decide what sort of coach or mentor you plan to be and what you can bring to this role. Options include setting up your own business as a business or personal life coach, mentor, taking an internal coach-mentor role within a business, or working in the voluntary sector. Consider what will make you a great coach or mentor and how your skills, experience and expertise will differentiate you from other coaches or mentors. Identify what additional skills and frameworks you need and complete appropriate training, as required. So there you go. These are my 15 proven ways to make money online real quick. With all these points listed above, I believe that you have learned something and you will put what you've learned to practice. It's not enough to learn, you have to practice. Bye and see you in my next video. Thank you and remain blessed.